Hey, what's up, y'all? It's Teddy Stones from sneakerreleasedate.com, and today we have a sneaker release, just like it says in the name. But today we have the 14s that came out today, which is the 15th of May, and they are the Desert Sands. I've been looking at these sneakers for a while now. I think it was like a month and a half, 2 months. I've been trying to get them early, all this and that. But you know how it goes sometimes. If you don't have a sneaker plug, you might not get them. And you don't want to pay too much, so I ain't get them. But sneaker plugs, if you're watching, be looking, hit me up. But let's get to the sneaker. We got the Desert Sand 14. Let's get like an all look around the shoe. You see the Jordan logo at the top. The 2-3 on the back with the Jordan logo. Right above the tab where the shoe size is. But me, you know, I'm not really a 14s guy, but these sneakers, when I first saw them, I just fell in love with the infrared on the back and on the bottoms right here. And then we got the red dot. Well, not the red, the infrared dot. These things were just awesome to me, and I had to get them. Anybody who knows about 14s knows it's like a light sneaker, depending on how your foot is. They're true to size, so if you wear a 9.5, it is a 9.5. If you wear 9.75, I don't know how you're gonna get that sneaker, but it's true to size. But yeah, let's go ahead and check out the inside of the sneaker. We see the Jordan logo, Jumpman as usual. The Jumpman's right there. And you know, these are actually my first pair of 14s too. So this is great. You know, we got the suede for the sand, so it represents the sand very well with the stupid white bottom. Like, these are extra crisp, like ice cold white. With the infrared and the black interior with the black laces and the tongue, it makes for a good sneaker. A lot of people are saying these might not last. They gonna go to outlet, wait for outlet. While you waiting, I'm gonna be enjoying these. So these are a must cop, especially for the summertime. A little light sneaker, real light on the foot. Got the suede with the light colors. You can mix and match with the infrared, white, and the black. Do it how you do it. So comment below. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share, subscribe, and we'll be coming out with more. See you soon.